Welcome back to Push-Pull Studio. Today, we're modeling a modern, space-saving coffee table set, complete with 4 nested stools designed to tuck completely flush right under the frame. So open up SketchUp Web and let's get building. Let's head over to Model Info on the right panel. We're going to change our format to decimal inches and set our precision to a clean single decimal point to keep our measurements exact. Then clear out our default scale figure. Click to select, then hit delete. Grab the line tool. From the origin, draw an 18-inch line on the green axis, 18 inches up the blue axis, 18 inches back, and close the square. Grab the push/pull tool, select the face, and extrude it out by 1 inch to give the side panel its thickness. Rotate your view to face the panel. Switch to the tape measure tool and pull horizontal and vertical guidelines from the midpoints to mark the exact center. Pick the circle tool, click on the center intersection, and type 7 inches for the radius. Use the push-pull tool on the circular face and push it back 1 inch to cut a clean circular opening through the panel. Triple-click the panel to select all connected geometry. Right-click, select Make Component, name it Box Legs, and hit Create. Using your tape measure, place a guideline 18 inches away along the red axis. Select the Move tool, tap Ctrl or Command to copy, and move a duplicate of the panel to the 18-inch mark. Create a duplicate of the side panel, then select the Rotate tool, click the middle of the panel, and rotate it 90 degrees. Position it perpendicular to the side panels. Duplicate the perpendicular panel to the opposite side and complete all 4 sides of the base. Open the materials tray on the right side, scroll down to Wood, pick Wood Veneer 02, and apply it across the box legs. Select the rectangle tool and draw a face across the top corners of the box, then use the push-pull tool to extrude it upward by 2 inches. Triple-click the top seat piece, right-click, select Make Component, and label it Box Seat. Apply the same wood veneer texture to the top seat component. Use the tape measure tool to create a 1-inch guideline along all 4 top edges. Draw a rectangle inside the guidelines, then use the push-pull tool to raise the inner section by 2 inches to form the seat cushion. Grab the 2-point arc tool, draw an arc across the face, and use the push-pull tool to trim away the extra material along the curve to give this cushion a smooth curve. Open the Materials panel, head over to Synthetic Surfaces, select a dark textured material, and apply it directly to the cushion surface. Triple-click the cushion to select all connected faces, right-click, and select Make Component. Let's name this component Box Cushion and hit Create to keep our model organized. Let's group the completed stool assembly and move it aside so we have a clean workspace at the origin. Next, let's set up the guidelines for our table base. Grab the tape measure tool and type in the measurements along the axes to mark out the layout. If this guide is helping, hit that like button and subscribe to Push Pull Studio. Now, let's keep building. Switch to the rectangle tool and draw out the intersecting base profiles directly on the ground floor, aligned with your guidelines. Now use the push-pull tool to extrude these intersecting faces upward to create our table legs. Select the entire table structure, right-click, and make it a component named Table Legs. Then open the Wood Materials category and apply a rich wood veneer texture. Now let's make sure our snap points are accurate before adding the tabletop. Select the rectangle tool and draw a box across the top outer corners of the base legs. Switch to the push-pull tool and extrude the face upward by 2 inches. Triple-click the new geometry. Right-click and select Make Component, naming it Tabletop. Open the Materials tray on the right side. Scroll down to Wood, pick Wood Veneer 02 and apply it to the tabletop. Draw another rectangle across the top surface, extrude it up by 1 inch, and save it as a new component named Table Granite. In the materials tray, open stone and apply the dark granite texture. Let's bring over the ottoman we created by selecting the Move tool, grabbing the ottoman's bottom corner and snapping it snugly under the table overhang. Hold Ctrl or Option on Mac while dragging with the Move tool to duplicate the seat. Position all 4 ottomans around the base until they fit completely flush under the table frame. And that wraps up our full coffee table and nesting stool build in SketchUp Web. If you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Push-Pull Studio for more practical 3D modeling guides. Drop a comment down below to let me know what furniture piece you want to model next. Thanks for watching, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.